Harmony Enterprises, the leader in vertical baler design and construction, proudly presents the S60 XDRC automatic multi-material vertical baler. Unsurpassed in equipment efficiency and longevity, this versatile system gives you the capability to bale a variety of recyclable materials without the price tag of larger horizontal balers. Our S60 XDRC vertical baling system combines all the features of a powerful automatic recycling baler, including a 36-inch or 48-inch rear hopper and conveyor, extra beefy 3-inch by 1/2-inch conveyor cleats that are 38% thicker than a standard conveyor cleat, large 7-inch cylinder, and an incredible 92,360 pounds of ram force. These features allow the baler to produce heavier and more dense bales than other closed-door horizontal balers, with the reliability that has made Harmony Enterprises the vertical baler industry leader for over 60 years. The S60 XDRC has the ability to bale PET, aluminum, Tetra Pak containers using its conveyor system and other commodities like plastic, paper, HDPE, polystyrene, clothing, carpet, milk jugs, aluminum siding, and other non-ferrous metals manually. The S60 XDRC makes up to a 550-pound bale of PET bottles and up to 400-pound bale of aluminum cans. Each 30-inch by 60-inch by 48-inch mill-sized bale you create is ready to be shipped directly to the end user, so you can ship more bales per truckload, reducing shipping and handling costs, as well as eliminating potential storage costs or loss of operational space. Users receive a greater redemption value for their product due to the greater bale density achieved by the S60 XDRC. Most of all, Harmony's S60 XDRC will reduce your labor costs due to its automatic cycling and conveying features. It eliminates the need for costly material preconditioning and allows you to continuously feed product into the baler until the bale needs to be tied. The S60 XDRC has 7 bale tie slots and dual chain ejectors for extra dense bales. It cycles automatically during conveyor loading of material and has a torque tube to prevent the cylinder from uneven compaction forces. Harmony Enterprises has manufactured an unparalleled value with this innovative baling system. It's a money-saving and money-making machine with every bale produced. Important: no one under the age of 18 years old may operate the baler. No one under the age of 16 years of age may load material into this unit. Failure to abide may violate federal law. Warning: do not compact any volatile or combustible materials in this baler. Any attempts to process unauthorized materials such as glass, concrete, steel, wood, tanks, or containers could cause serious injury and damage to the baler. To operate the baler, start by coating the inside of the chamber with paraffin wax. This will aid in the bale ejection process. Place a sheet of cardboard at the bottom of the chamber that covers the entire floor. Close and secure all doors on the baler. Using the conveyor, verify that all doors to the baler are closed and secure. Verify that the ram is fully retracted. Insert the key into the selector switch on the power unit control panel and turn it to the start position. Turn the conveyor on-off selector switch to the on position. This will start the conveyor. Material can now be loaded into the hopper on the conveyor. Material will ride up the conveyor and enter the chamber through the rear chute. When the chamber is full, the chamber photo eye will be blocked and trigger an automatic cycle of the baler. At this point, the conveyor will stop. Once the cycle is complete and the photo eye is no longer blocked, the conveyor will start again. Repeat the process until the bale full light comes on. Tying a full bale. It is recommended that 14-gauge wire ties be used to tie a bale. Different gauges may be necessary depending on the material being baled. Insert the key into the key selector switch on the power unit control panel and turn it to the start position. Turn and hold the eject hand auto selector switch to the hand position. Turn the forward off reverse selector switch to the reverse position and raise the ram a few inches. Open the loading door and place a flat sheet of cardboard on top of the bale. Close the loading door. On the baler control panel, turn and hold the eject hand auto selector switch to the hand position. Turn the forward off reverse selector switch to the forward position. When the ram makes contact with the bale, press the emergency stop button. Open the loading door and the chamber door on the baler. From the rear, feed one end of the wire tie through the tie slots under the bale. Feed the other end of the wire tie through the tie slots in the ram. Form a loop in the wires ties as shown. Feed the remaining end through the loop and pull tight. Twist to secure. Engage the chain eject system on each side of the rear of the baler. This system will auto-cancel once the bale is ejected. Ejecting a full bale. Position a pallet in the opening of the unloading door. The bale will be tipped on to the pallet during the bale ejection process. Insert the key into the key selector switch on the power unit control panel and turn it to the start position. Turn and hold the eject hand auto selector switch to the eject position. Turn the forward off reverse selector switch to the forward position and raise the ejector base to tip the bale out onto the pallet. After the bale is ejected, return the ejector base to the home position by holding the selector switch in hand position and forward off reverse selector switch in the reverse position. When you purchase from Harmony Enterprises, you are assured that you will be offered the right long-lasting solution for your business. Combined with our leading 3-2-1 warranty and true partnership approach before, during, and after the sale. Harmony provides free quotes, site reviews, and customer referrals. Our experienced sales team is ready to answer your questions and get you all of the information you need about this innovative recycling solution. Want to learn more on how Harmony's S60 XDRC can help you save time, space, labor, and money in your operation? Call us at 507-886-6666 or visit us at www.harmony1.com today.